Meet Joe's Bakery, a place where every sweet treat is paired with laughter, the secret ingredient. In this corner of sweetness and joy, our friend Joe sometimes finds himself grappling with the unexpected visit of a tension headache, like a cap pressed too tight against his creative mind. But what exactly is this uninvited guest, the headache? Let's delve into that. You see, headaches come in different flavors. Tension headaches, like the one Joe is experiencing now, feel like a tight band of discomfort wrapped around your head. Migraines, on the other hand, are an unwelcome party crasher, one-sided and throbbing, often accompanied by nausea and sensitivity to light. Then there are the infamous cluster headaches, known for their sharp, one-sided pain, teary eyes, and runny noses. But there's a silver lining. Headaches, while pesky, can be tackled. Now, on to better news. Headaches can be tackled. Simple painkillers may help, but it's best to consult your healthcare baker first. You see, just as Joe knows his dough, your doctor knows your noggin. Each headache type has its own unique recipe for relief. For example, tension headaches, like the one Joe sometimes gets, are often relieved by over-the-counter painkillers or even a warm compress to the neck. A little rest, relaxation, and perhaps a gentle massage can also help knead away the discomfort. Migraines, on the other hand, can be a tough cookie to crack. They often require prescription medication, a quiet and dark room, and sometimes even a cold compress to the forehead. It's almost like turning off the lights and the noise in a busy bakery to focus on the task at hand. Cluster headaches, those notorious party crashers, often require specific treatments like oxygen therapy or prescription medications. It's like needing a special ingredient to get your cake to rise just right. But remember folks, these are general suggestions. Just like Joe doesn't guess his measurements when baking, we don't want you to guess your treatment. Your healthcare professional is the one who can provide the precise measurements for your particular headache. And speaking of precision, it's important to know when your headache requires immediate attention. If your headache feels like the worst one you've ever had, or if it comes on suddenly like a burner flaring up, it's time to seek immediate help. Similarly, if your headache is accompanied by symptoms like dizziness, confusion, or trouble with vision or speech, it's like seeing smoke in the kitchen. You wouldn't ignore that, would you? So when should you seek help? If a headache flares up like a kitchen mishap, or if it's causing a dizzy spell, it's emergency time. Remember, just like baking, managing headaches is all about understanding the recipe and knowing when to ask for help. So let's keep kneading away the discomfort, one headache at a time. For regular headaches or ones following a noggin knock, see a professional. Just as our friend Joe knows his dough, your healthcare provider knows headaches. They can help identify patterns that might be contributing to your discomfort. Now let's talk about the importance of tracking these patterns. Imagine you're a detective, and your mission is to uncover the mystery of your headaches. Start by keeping a daily journal. Record when your headaches occur, their intensity, and how long they last. Also, jot down any other symptoms you experience. But don't stop there. Note what you've eaten that day, how much sleep you got the night before, and even what you were doing just before the headache began. These details might seem trivial, but they're crucial clues in solving the headache mystery. Think of it this way. In Joe's bakery, if a batch of bread doesn't rise correctly, he doesn't just toss it out. He examines the ingredients, the temperature, the technique. He looks for patterns, and that's exactly what you need to do with your headaches. These patterns will help you and your healthcare provider identify potential triggers. Triggers are like the yeast in Joe's bread recipe, small but powerful, capable of causing a significant reaction. They're different for everyone, but there are some common culprits. Common triggers, the usual: stress, skipped meals, too much caffeine, and sleep issues. Stress can tighten the muscles in your neck and scalp, leading to a tension headache. Skipping meals can cause low blood sugar, another headache trigger. Consuming too much caffeine can lead to withdrawal headaches when you try to cut back. And poor sleep? Well, we all know how that feels. Understanding these triggers is the first step towards managing your headaches. Once you know what's causing them, you can begin to make changes to avoid these triggers. Just as Joe wouldn't keep using yeast that ruins his bread, you don't want to continue habits that trigger your headaches. So, remember to track your headache patterns, identify your triggers, and consult with a healthcare professional. It's a recipe for success, and just like in Joe's bakery, the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the absence of headaches. Evade triggers with lifestyle changes, embrace calm, choose health, like crafting the perfect pizza, it's all in the toppings. Imagine you're in the kitchen, spinning dough into the air, the smell of fresh basil and tomatoes filling the room. Each topping you choose, each slice you cut, it all adds up to that perfect pie. Similarly, managing headaches isn't a one-size-fits-all process. It's about personalizing your approach, understanding your triggers, and making the right lifestyle changes. Now let's think about those toppings. They're like the choices you make every day, the habits you form, and the lifestyle changes you adopt. Just as the right combination of toppings can make a pizza delicious, the right combination of lifestyle changes can help manage headaches effectively. Perhaps one such topping is a consistent sleep schedule. Regular, restful sleep can play a crucial role in preventing headaches. Another topping might be a balanced diet, avoiding foods and beverages that might trigger headaches. And let's not forget the exercise topping. Keeping your body active and healthy can reduce the frequency and severity of headaches. But remember, everyone's pizza is different. Your headache triggers might not be the same as someone else's. It's crucial to understand your unique triggers and tailor your lifestyle changes accordingly. Just as you wouldn't pile on all the toppings without considering the flavors, you shouldn't adopt every lifestyle change without considering its relevance to your situation. It's about balance, not excess. And this is where the role of your healthcare provider comes in. Just as a skilled pizzaiolo knows how to balance the flavors, a healthcare provider can help balance your lifestyle changes and manage your headaches. They can help identify your triggers, suggest suitable lifestyle changes, and provide a personalized treatment plan. So, as we journey through the world of headache management, remember this. It's not about a single solution, but a combination of several smaller changes. Like crafting the perfect pizza, it's all about the toppings you choose and the balance you strike. Headache management is personalized. Collaborate with your doctor for the best mix. So from Joe's Bakery, here's the essence. Headaches can be complex, but with a dash of understanding and the right care, the day can still be delicious. Just like the varied goodies in Joe's Bakery, headaches come in different types, each with their own unique set of symptoms. Tension headaches, migraines, or cluster headaches. Each one is an unwelcome visitor that can turn your day sour. But remember, you are the master baker of your health. Simple painkillers might help, but it's always best to consult your healthcare professional first. Jot down your headache patterns and triggers, and work with your doctor to whip up a personalized treatment plan that suits your needs. Don't let headaches steal the sweetness from your day. Join us again for more of Joe's wholesome advice. Hit like, subscribe for wisdom-filled bites, and share your headache hacks below. Stay sweet and health-wise, pals.